The 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby Super Snake represents the pinnacle of American muscle car performance, blending Ford's modern S650 Mustang platform with Shelby American's legendary tuning expertise. This limited edition beast, produced by Shelby American in Las Vegas, transforms a standard Mustang GT into an 830-plus horsepower monster designed for thrill seekers and collectors. At its core lies a Gen 4 5.0-liter Coyote V8 engine, enhanced by a massive Whipple 3.0-liter supercharger. This setup delivers over 830 horsepower, paired with substantial torque for explosive acceleration. The powertrain maintains Ford's factory warranty while benefiting from Shelby's upgrades, including an extreme cooling system with upgraded radiator and heat exchanger to handle sustained high-output demands. Drivers can choose between a slick 6-speed manual transmission with a short-throw shifter or Ford's responsive 10-speed automatic. Performance enhancements extend far beyond the engine. The Super Snake features a tuned Shelby suspension system, upgraded brakes with Shelby-specific rotors, performance half-shafts rated for extreme power, and hardened wheel studs. Lightweight 20-inch forged magnesium wheels wrapped in high-performance tires reduce unsprung weight and improve handling agility. Carbon fiber aerodynamic components, including a front splitter, hood vents, rear diffuser, and accents, enhance downforce, cooling, and visual aggression, while a Shelby bi-baller exhaust system delivers a ferocious soundtrack. Exterior styling screams exclusivity with signature Super Snake striping, badging, a custom grille, and carbon fiber elements that give it a menacing race-inspired stance. Inside, the cabin balances luxury and purpose: Shelby-branded leather sport seats, unique floor mats, serialized dash and engine plaques, illuminated sill plates, and premium Ford tech like advanced infotainment and driver aids. Production is strictly limited to 300 units in the United States for 2025, with additional international builds via licensed partners, making it a rare collectible. Pricing starts around $170,000 to $176,000 depending on configuration and options, often including the donor Mustang GT Premium with packages like Magna-Ride suspension and Performance Pack. Critics note it's a premium upgrade over a stock Mustang or aftermarket builds, but enthusiasts praise its factory-backed engineering, serialized heritage, and raw, unfiltered power. The Super Snake isn't just faster, it's a modern evolution of Carroll Shelby's vision, combining street-legal usability with track-capable prowess. For those craving the ultimate pony car experience, the 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby Super Snake delivers venomous performance wrapped in iconic style. Thank you for watching.